Hi, I'm Emily, and you're watching Stitched Together Fiber Arts. Today I'm excited because a certain package arrived from Paradise Fibers. And I'm excited to open it. I love the colors on this package. But before I get going, I should say I'm not yet affiliated with Paradise Fibers. I hope to be. This package was purchased by me. It's not sponsored by them. So, yeah, with that out of the way, let's get opening. Okay, so I need some scissors. I should say, one of the things I really like about their Paradise Fibers Fiber of the Month Club bags is that they often have a sneak preview of the month's theme in how it's packaged. And this one is blue with some white and tan colors, which, ooh, I like blue, so this is looking good. I'm always a little dubious to use scissors because of the goodies that are inside. But I think I need to be able to tuck what's in here back in later so I can save it in one place. So I am going to use scissors this time. Take a peek. There's something in there. I don't know about you, but I always go for the bag that has the fiber, because that's why we do this, and oh my gosh, this is so cool. Could anything be more perfect for me than it's gray and blue and like slightly sparkly? That's so cool. Okay, now I'm gonna do my due diligence and see what it is. Knit 1, purl 2, where pearl is spelled like pearl in the girl with the pearl earring painting. For this month's Fiber Club inspiration, we traveled all the way back to 17th century Holland when Johannes Vermeer painted the work known today as the girl with the pearl earring. That's really cool. I won't read the whole of it here. And it says, for these dark days of winter, we aimed to create a fiber that shines in the darkness. And yeah, this one definitely does. It's just beautiful. It really shines. So what is it though? Okay, I know, that's important. And in the back, they have a pattern. On the back of this one, they have pattern suggestion, woolen and plied into a nice tight 2-ply. And they're looking at a shawl pattern. So you can see the beginnings of that pattern idea back here. Here we go. Here's the in your bag info. All right, 6 ounces. This here is 6 ounces of a limited edition Girl with the Pearl Earring blend, a 54, 40, and 6 Merino Kid Mohair and Stellina blend. Well, that's cool. I don't think I've spun with that particular blend before. And one of the things I really like about spinning with a blend is if you've not spun a lot with a particular fiber, like mohair, if it's blended with something else that's more familiar to you, like merino, or even stellina now, I feel like I've been using that a lot lately. Spinning something in a blend can be one way to kind of get an idea for how it spins up when you're using it with something else. Alright, what else do we have other than this? It's also like, it's really soft, I think. It is soft. Actually, you know, I feel like I can definitely feel kind of that mohairiness to it too, which is not always my favorite thing, but we'll see. It'll be really interesting to see how this spins up. Really interesting and really pretty. Alright, what else is in here? Okay, we've got bag. Some plastic. We have the little bag. It's really fun to collect these bags, and I always find useful things to do in them. And here we have a big package of liquid. Gooey liquid. It is not honey though, it is Beyond Fiber Wash. Interesting. Never used this one. Unicorn Baby Beyond Fiber Wash. Cool. Strong enough for rough and tumble fabrics and knitwear, yet so very gentle on the most delicate hand-knit creations. So this will be something useful to add to my collection of fiber laundries downstairs. Also in here is a Asian Pear Harmony tea from Stash. I really love that they use Stash tea. That just gives me a little like fiber person giggle. It has green tea and natural pear flavor, so kind of fruity, more fruity one. It'd be interesting to give that one a try. I've definitely discovered new flavors of Stash tea from participating in the Paradise Fibers Fiber of the Month Club, because they always choose such good ones. I think some of their Christmas teas were I first became aware of then. Oh my goodness, this is the best. Look at this. It's the sheep with a pearl earring and the stitch marker. It's not a pearl, it's silver, more silvery, but actually like the one in the painting does have that kind of silvery look to it. This is hysterical. I love it. It's a sheep with like a headscarf and everything. This is so great. Oh wow, that's really fun. I love the stitch markers that they send. They're so cute how they match up with the projects. And the stickers. I don't always know what to do with stickers though. I know what to do with these, but I don't know what to do with these. I've already stickered up my water bottles. So if you are a sticker user, I would love suggestions for what to do with all of my adorable sheepy stickers that I have an increasing collection of from these Paradise Fiber bags. I was in Paradise Fiber's Fiber of the Month Club for several months last year, and it was a lot of fun, and then it was a gift subscription, so that ran out. But I found that I was missing getting these monthly mystery packages that are so very exciting. Anyway, yeah, this fiber is just really cool, and I know I have other things that I'm planning to spin, like a lot of long draw that I've been playing around with, but I'm totally right there with this idea of light and darkness and getting through the last bit of winter with something sparkly and beautiful like this. So this might be on my wheel sooner rather than later. Okay, well, I'm glad I sat down to do this because I couldn't hold in my curiosity any longer. Now I've seen what is in the girl with the pearl earring bag, and I have these adorable things. Yeah, if you're part of the Fiber of the Month Club, I'd love to know what you're thinking about doing with this fiber, and what you do with your stickers. So, and oh, if you have any cute ways of storing your stitch markers too. I have mine all in one bag with other stitch markers, and I think I want to find something that's a little more specific to the Paradise Fibers ones, because they're all so much fun. Okay, well, that's this short update, and I'll see you next time. Until then, happy stitching.